Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this article, you will learn about pursuing a career in prompt engineering. Let's get started. If you're a tech-savvy individual with a passion for language, logic, and creativity, a career in prompt engineering might be your ideal pathway to success. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of designing prompts, which are instructions or questions that direct large language models, LLMs, to perform specific tasks or generate specific outputs. Why is prompt engineering important? LLMs have revolutionized the field of AI with their ability to process and generate human-like language. Prompt engineers ensure that LLMs are utilized to their full potential by crafting prompts that are clear, concise, and tailored to the specific task at hand. Why choose a career in prompt engineering? In a world where communication and data are paramount, prompt engineers harness the power of language to design AI systems that understand, process, and generate human-like text. As more businesses and organizations integrate AI into their operations, the need for skilled engineers who can fine-tune these systems becomes increasingly critical. How to pursue a career in prompt engineering? Start with a solid educational background in computer science, natural language processing, machine learning, or a related field. Many universities offer specialized courses and degrees in AI and natural language processing. Develop coding skills. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python is essential for working with AI models and implementing prompt engineering techniques. Understand AI frameworks. Familiarize yourself with AI frameworks and tools. Explore the API documentation to understand how to interact with these models effectively. Stay informed. The field of AI is ever evolving. Keep up with the latest research, publications, and developments in the AI community to stay at the forefront of your career. Career opportunities. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are actively developing and utilizing LLMs, creating a demand for prompt engineers to optimize their performance. Startups focused on AI applications often require prompt engineers to develop and refine prompts for their products and services. Consulting firms specializing in AI solutions may employ prompt engineers to advise clients on prompt design and optimization. If you're passionate about AI and driven by the potential of human-machine collaboration, this could be your ticket to a thriving and fulfilling career. That brings us to the end of this article. You have learned what is prompt engineering and details about a career in prompt engineering. How to pursue a career in prompt engineering. The various job options available after acquiring prompt engineering skills. We hope you liked this article. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.